Welcome to another episode of Yachting Hub Miami, this time in Miami Beach, and I was able to capture a few nice yachts. So again, I hope you enjoyed the video and I'll see you at the end. Take care. Well, here you have another episode of Yachting Hub Miami, this time in Miami Beach, and I was able to capture a few more yachts that I show on this video. The other videos will be posted soon, but for now, I hope you like this incredible entrance by my favorite yacht, of course, Pershing yacht, and a few others. But again, I want to let you know that all content is original and all is filmed by me. So there's no doubts. Again, thanks for watching and I will see you on my next video. And also, if you would like to look for us on Instagram, there's a page there where you can also follow Yachting Hub Miami. So again, thanks for watching and I will see you in my next video. Take care.